Good happy Tuesday afternoon and welcome to the bird cell. Let's get started now. Grace. Wow, you look really comfy in that spot, don't you? You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Say hi, Grayson. Hi. You're very comfy, aren't you? I'll leave you alone. Huh? I'll leave you alone. Oh, don't do that. Let's say hi to Blue. Blue. Hi, Blue. How about you today? Are you good? Handsome bird. You're a handsome bird, aren't you? Love you. I love you. Love you. Come on. Oh. There we go. He likes being in his cage and not near me. Alright. Come on, Blue. Here you go. There. Blue. See you later. I'm glad you enjoy your flying, huh? You had a good flying around my room a little bit, huh? Okay, see you later. Bye-bye. Grace. Oh, don't do that. Be a good bird. See you later. Bye-bye, Grayson. Bye, Grayson. See you later. Have a good day. Keep cool. Enjoy being in your cage. Bye-bye. And that does it for the bird, sir. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Bye, everyone.